Today, we're talking about two powerful practices that can take your language skills to the next level: integration and reflection. These aren't just fancy words, they're the secret sauce to making your learning stick and keeping you motivated. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about integration. Integration is all about taking what you've learned and weaving it into your daily life. It's not enough to just memorize words or grammar rules. You've got to use them in real world situations. Here's how you can do it: speak regularly. Practice speaking with native speakers, language partners, or even yourself. The more you use the language, the more natural it becomes. Also, write daily. Keep a journal, write emails, or post on social media in the target language. Writing helps reinforce vocabulary and grammar. Thirdly, engage with authentic content. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or read books in the language. This exposes you to real life usage and cultural context. Now, let's talk about reflection. Reflection is the process of looking back on your learning experiences, analyzing what worked, and identifying areas for improvement. It's like having a conversation with yourself about your progress. Here's how to make reflection a part of your routine. Keep a learning journal. Write down what you've learned, challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. This helps you track your progress over time. Keep setting goals. Reflect on your goals regularly. Are you meeting them? Do they need adjusting? Setting clear, achievable goals keeps you focused and motivated. Thirdly, celebrate wins. Acknowledge your successes, no matter how small. Finished a book in the target language. Had a full conversation without stumbling. Celebrate it. Integration and reflection work hand in hand. When you integrate new skills into your daily life, you create opportunities to reflect. And when you reflect, you gain insights that help you integrate even more effectively. It's a cycle of continuous improvement. Here's the best part: integration and reflection don't have to be time consuming. You can practice them in small, manageable ways every day. For example, after a conversation, take a moment to reflect on what went well and what you can improve. Or, after watching a movie, write down your new words or phrases you learned. Remember, language learning isn't just about memorizing rules or passing tests. It's about growing, connecting, and discovering new ways and new parts of yourself. By integrating what you learn and reflecting on your journey, you not only improve your skills, but also enjoy the process so much more.